Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to add a trend line in cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open cTrader. And let's say, for example, I want to add a trend line here. All you have to do is go to this icon right here and choose trend line. Click on it. Then you have to draw your trend line, for example, like this. Now, let's say, for example, you want to change the color. Hover over it with your cursor, right click, and you can change the color from here with any color you want, for example, white or any color. You can also change the thickness from here. For example, let's choose, for example, this one. You can also change the type of the line. Also, if you want to extend it, okay, if you want to extend it, all you have to do is go to this icon right here, extend to infinity, like this, okay? And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.